A multi-day fishing vessel named Dinesh 4, carrying 5 fishermen, left the Dondra fisheries harbour yesterday and later capsized in Sri Lankan waters, approximately 20 nautical miles offshore. The vessel met with an accident in the Sea of Sri Lanka, with early reports suggesting it collided with a merchant ship. One of the fishermen managed to survive by clinging to the overturned vessel. He was later rescued by a nearby fishing crew, who pulled him aboard using a rope. The rescued fisherman was brought ashore and admitted to the Karapiti Teaching Hospital for treatment. He stated that the accident occurred due to a collision with a merchant vessel. The Sri Lanka Navy and Air Force launched a joint search and rescue operation, deploying a Bell 212 helicopter and a Y-12 aircraft. By around 2 p.m. today, the bodies of 2 fishermen were recovered and later brought to Galle Harbour. A few hours later, another fisherman trapped inside the overturned vessel was successfully rescued. How did this accident occur? Survivors of the incident have stated that the fishing vessel was struck by a passing merchant ship, causing it to capsize. However, Navy media spokesperson Commander Buddhika Sampath confirmed that an investigation is underway to verify this claim. Director General of the Fisheries Department, Susantha Kahawatta, had the following to say.
මේ අනුතර සිදු ප්‍රදේශය ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ මුහුදු තීරයේ වෙළඳ නෞකා ගමන් කරන වාණිජ නෞකා.
The area where the incident occurred falls within a commercial shipping route of the Sri Lankan coastline. It is therefore likely that the vessel may have collided with a merchant ship. We are currently conducting a technical analysis to determine which ship was navigating through that location at the time of the incident. Once the vessel is identified, the Office of the Director General of Merchant Shipping will take the necessary legal steps. There are several possible causes, either a direct collision or the vessel being affected by turbulent waters generated by a nearby merchant ship. Nevertheless, we believe with strong probability that this was an accident caused by a merchant vessel operating along that route.
වෙළඳ නෞකාවක් හේතුවකින් මේ අනුතර සිදු වෙන්නට ඇති කියලා.
Those aboard the Dinesh 4 multi-day fishing vessel were identified as LDHT Niroshan, AWPS Sampath, AWPD Prasanga, all residents of Dondra, and AFBTS Kumara and DSV Shanta, residents of Valigama.